Have you ever considered hiring a drought tolerant landscape designer? And hey, I'm Rama with Creation Landscape Designs and the Earthly Landscapes blog. In this video, I'm going to share with you why you should hire a drought tolerant landscape designer. But before I do that, I make videos about drought tolerant landscapes, sustainable design, and anything and everything in between. So hit the red subscribe button if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed. I'm also a residential landscape designer based out of Orange County, California. So if you'd like to get residential landscape design services and you live in Southern California, there'll be a link to my business website in the description of the video. So a drought tolerant landscape designer understands the climate zone of the area you live in, understands what materials will work with the space, understands where to get quality materials at reasonable prices, and they have a wealth of knowledge and resources that they've already gathered that you can take advantage of. You're not just hiring someone that took a design course and, oh, I can design. You're hiring someone that either has an associate's degree in ornamental horticulture or a bachelor's degree in horticultural landscape architecture, who then not only has the educational training but the real world experience. You're hiring someone that can say, okay, based on where your house is situated, whether it gets more sun or shade, what climate zone you live in, these are the plants that will work flawlessly with your space, and plants that don't need a lot of water or maintenance. A professional landscape designer can also take what you have in terms of ideas, whether it's ideas that you have in here, whether it's ideas that you collected on paper, digitally, however you've collected them, and be able to cohesively make that work into a design that suits your every lifestyle. Now, I get it. Some people are like, but I think I can just do the design myself. And maybe you can. But what it would cost in time for you to do the design yourself is less money than if you just hire a professional.